ya build ya kwapem no fa ya building ye and me wuram baronim say oba piemu awa kwapem no fa there's just 1 second division club and awa kwapem no only one kwapem no fo nyina no just one second division club and awa ha na club we ne kura no yembisa yenwo say emwa ben support ben ye dem omo. It was just none by 4-5 months ago na qualify by second division. Said be a try to say kwapem your talent and you be a talent ni kosi and a man from more talent na the end. And you kwabrane to me titine mo yurem at team from coast abo man the team not me qualify be pay more second division. The work kwapem no me say team was second division e ba ko pe. Na enen koma me ba be di no agina no so esa ne se tim ya ba ko pe we kwapem no for no second division emoa ben ye de ma no support ben ye de ma no me konko fabiri ya me tibidi ya unu meni azafio me se o meni esu sorry ese be se ebo amebru we kwapem ana mo amobobo e be se ebo amo o kwabrane atitim me se o second division no ade ne sika financial ba be do second division emoa ben ye de ebo ano ono to create employment too business nipa na ebo ne team no ankene o ma wanti team na adwuma ben no me and to create employment and then support ne de ma no I prepare me call na me ni coach Shako atin komo o tutu akwapem area fa second division na ne o ma be pie ho ade ansise na mpanyfo ye de support yo mo afen so yora samia kuma ba no so me ye twa ye ho aba ye be ba no so Tama ngusa construction work say cost wa demi park jane de ye de do me mouse an ye kachira osana ba ye adwuma no but my catchem say wrong demi park ne my catchem say was so wrong some of the build astroturf instead of natural grass develop your stance no na grass na natural but aningira nkam fo no my ngusa and project na shall see e koso when ye hwehwe enyo tan hunu na mum say o shepa obedi so na wa deliver money pa no wa to mo no eno ne ye hwehwe enter we pem meba samia ukune bo na okobo ye na no da o mampon no meba so yebeko atefo kakachi yakodi nkomo asante koro konso akachi yebeko akodi nkomo over the weekend omu jina kono ekoye di my heart anko yamfa ma asante koroko ninyina ne be wura me ya dimu nkomo na se kese mfa nkoma eyetim ninyina executive producer ajaku muti ase dadambo yeso yesama nyedina moto yera kwa kupoatin Samson Gideon Nto Nana Kofi Okori Ajaman Samson DJ Weda K Brown Nana Tamia Unyana Mo Bechidom and it's Solomon Paid Wolfia the writer commentator Watan and Casodi Gram na fin so no fie common kakra on adiaba update a wodo on eba Echina the Black Queens of Ghana Ejina kono against Rwanda or the update number first leg na kwasha 7 away Echina enso no yet fear ye Rwanda anebo and community say Black Queens come na mi ko zongo su bi saya amo so jere se mula musena Antiano sono no meni ya Calvin and Pantari from ye kid a boss player and you really atram ya jaho do ne ba ye betutu nsam na go na fin so no mama yen ye ya bo machi na ma yen ye na Ghana Kapiman let me fan into my party fra Second send come from one expert Samsona Bella drinks say And Sunyami Chopper is dot ventures. I think so. Final water. Monkey Bookshop. Chill out. Eatery and pub. Level 3. This is draining in a deal level 3. Cocos Massage Palo. Cocos Massage Palo. Let's all you tree. Tontina 74. T74. Runis Bookshop and Stationery. Safari Eco Park and Resort. And I said Safari Valley Eco Park. Omina Kremo. And you made in common air. You try and wapa. Na ba ya to me at the Fisam Kakawano and so at me at the amount. So the entire Omra. Na ba ya met one common so.
Tontonte yenum nsane e fadwen
ne e fadwen mpa say na nananum se brebi beba ama tontina 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduru
tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esi nananum dodo so se de na dodo bua ma nananum enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebo anipadua no
e mo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho denden
tontina 74 yinso yaye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti baby a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ
samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74
samennom tontina 74 menya hoodin mennom ne da bia
T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a
wokọ pharmacy ana baby to nro bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to
T74 yi enye ma oba wafa afuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu
eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkratoi atom
1xBet jackpots na landio alande na watch bia na chedio yenya ni so betwa wo bet for sports game bia so na obetumi dinkuni register with 1xbet.com.gh na use promo code jackpotghana na chawo bet 1xBet ye nkunim die ho safo 1xBet who say nkunimdifo gambling ho atru ntitwa ne wa hwe ye nyema wa wundi mfie duwo Gaming Commissioner Jinka to we atum
Take a sip and taste the flow. Life it be hard sometimes, but let it go.
Feel the flow for your patio. Bellas could get your feet on the floor. It's Bell Ice. We're feeling fun. We're feeling fun. Take a sip of Bell Ice. We're feeling
Jiwo Bell Ice Lemon, Pineapple, Orange, and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer in one pop peppy. Na enjoy. Kaiser, Bell Ice, a PET plastic bottle mono, and 8% alcohol, and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer, and can mono, and also 18% alcohol. Nomnyansem, one tom manipa, only in fear to watch it, and Sessa a pim for num. FDA, Ajidridian Kratoi Atom. Bell Ice, Mephilia.
another quality product from Bell Aqua.
Level 3 present Accra City Dirty Red, a Popolo Dra artist performing profile. Starting from Friday with Dirty Afro Friday and Friends. Artists performing D-Block, Sefa, Puranon, Sweet Voice, and Dusty Jen. And on Saturday, 30th September, Stop Just Wanna Get Hard. Artists performing Orchestra One, La Russo, Ya Jackson, and Get Play. Sunday, 1st October, Kill It Oliver. Artists performing live, Osekrum Sikini, Raskuku, Sky Rankin, and D Sherry. And on Monday, 2nd October is Dirty Links and Vibe with Chips in Power. Boss Kalo and Friend will hold us down with some surprising possible artists from Nigeria. So get on the train, let's have some fun and relax. This festive season with Level 3. For table reservations and inquiries, call 0244-925-412. Level 3. Enter the fun.
Fufuo Festival. Jack for how you know to baby. Na yen copy bonus show. Okuma Radio 97.1 2023 Ekwepo Ekwapim Odrano for the first time. Okuma Eddie Fufuo Festival no Eddie bro Ekwapmen nyina. Ebeye dey style bi. Remember Naka say Fufuo no eye free. You hear eye wankasa wasanka dwumadi nyina beba so ewo eye shoe fabric anymore Ekwepo Ekwapim. On the 1st of October 2023, Ebreno anopa no watch till you drop. Bibiani na pese bia wonim pay for twetwe nkomo ana pese to stand na nkata do ton ne ma bia betimi nim pay for twetwe nkomo e wo 0549012454 0549012454 ana say 0246246875 0246246875 fufuo bami ni fufuo style bia
Wotie to Tujegu Sports. Wotie to Tujegu Sports. Wotie to Tujegu Sports on Okuma 97.1. Chairman Tuja. Tutujegu. Ejata atfo.
All right, internet yamo akwaba. Enyumere biem ensam famro. Come on 97.1 enyumere. Na say in somehow Toronto. And ye babe wuram na afin so yetimi adimu enkomo super tenase na yese be wuram na fisam kakao no de abaye wuram na editorial kakra no eno so ye de abawo no abosame akumi obi ka kire no kakra people for munti na mon kan kire no promises o me make o mampon no mampon force o mo twen so tia se Zuba enyumre se bia come
boss play easy ze adesa dabi entesa na pardon yenya bre yes Madelo with referees no did the Ghana Premier League kakra. They be bomuja because so share almost about yesterday match the 2-3 incident is here Ghana football mo how incident it seems like referees also ye do mutu baby because share incident how do we see and shedan yegusa Jisuba look at men shedan ko bebre sa nyame adom ochina say Emmanuel game the Black Queens one money random ba no na bonel mu na the head coach adama Rwanda madam de dini grace na on come akara ba say asi ye mba no o sha abra mo bo mo first game against omo Kigali no o say Black Queens man TC page ne so anos these are men o say o say ye guess the mbema because oshomo osho ye guess no osusu say ebimo sabi omo akosua kuma no ebi de anya akosua kuma ebimu de mmema kuma de ni bi tana ma me no de ye ba serious o onye serious serious
onye serious
o ma me no onye serious osi ya wo ma omo mmema eyi ni bi wo mo ti onu susu say ye guess na nya mmaza mmema frafra
onye serious
Mema fra ntia I don't know to me show me say that yame adbo na o me kire Black Queens for so born omni bangaza ti Zuba no nkoma akra bo ba yame adbo na game no okopie ma 4 p.m. across Sports Stadium yankɔ ne yankɔ support girls no na omuso omu fan kunimdie ne famda ye ne say koma na Black Stars say Black Stars anye ni anka ne ya ebe ye yazanti nyame ade mo chana Black Queens of Ghana any run number no area in term so across Sports Stadium 4 p.m. and a game no ye bon kama 2024 women's Africa Cup of Nations qualification game ye first game ye konum ekosom 7-0 nti Super nane nkoma akra bana oni za Ghana Premier League ne one outstanding game to dwa abra ukopiem bo kwa ne din Accra Lions tena afie ene bo kwa ne din ukopiem nkrofi omni time so Lions so no nkrofi
Lions ne Olympics
ne boy hey Zuba Lions ne Accra get to Olympics Super afa we ni so
okay enra
enumbre ya
enyume ya kisa oka
yo Ghana
out of Lions ne work band
Accra Lions ni Lagos
cities na boy
afa we ni so say Lions na do so
no one kind dey no work band o dey
ndi we nkran dey no ana you show mo na
yes
ya bo wi an santi ese ya me admo chena efense na pali bibia o chena de o food table ni nia de beba na ma bia so etumi akokati Zuba enda no me pese ye be ko bebre sa because enda nkomo bebre won mo ye referees no di the Ghana Premier League no sabe omye serious so ba me serious man serious ezanze baby you born edu no omanye very serious and you very careful super football be jinsemu out to the official letter dia ba be kan kakra ya be deliver to referees omodi club ya Kumasi Asantoro connect pound out of Lions game no ya be hwe that offside incident go omo say nye go no saa so na akopie ma wo kwa ne din ne eye club ya Kumasi Asantoro ko omni bebie ni Go Stars that incident ya be hwe ne ye enen da no fielder sanobo fa kwa ne okopie ma bo kwa ne din ne onkrofo yi out to during times no ya be hwe that incident no esanse referee so na did the Ghana Premier League no or say ye chiro mo yadum to bebi omoto ye be ye 1-1 na bibia so no etumi aye kama on mo a enkomo so enseda anye fidi agrante ya still live or Command Radio 97.1 Tikachonia SAS to Jegu Sports era ayatrasia yedi enkomo na bibia so no etumi aye kama na okopie ma onim say ene krobia Kumasi Asantoro ko tie korokofoni tie Abranten dini Chief Justice Blaine Kuku fire tie oya club ya Kumasi Asantoro ko supporter tie Justice Blaine and Abranten training Kumasi nyame arubani so over the weekend omne Caroline 19 Erwin Tam so kama game anu den into Justice Blaine's back so na Richmond Lamptey and Abranten no eswe to be training and come on so enseda enye fidi agona and now from him matate House of Folk Mumbo say ezanze and Rambo Gamer, mo boy wa Accra Sports Stadium no. One defender has enya one defender. Your official 2 years and Abranten sign. Abranten David Paul Frane latest everybody say yes has a phone in the review. And your period be didn't come down over kaya. If you dey bizanzo opari enya tell you omo sign play bia but is an yan say player no ma sign no. You need be didn't come on my details kakra na my bia so to me come at super. F7 and shut down not because they now want to deal with the referees of the Ghana Football Association. Born here started bono. Yes, a cruma you see any was it. But also there some communication with the assistant referees and also superb. But so by my fancy.
Oh yes, you won't.
Maybe see. Me person like I be.
Okay. Nah, say few stories now.
If you shut down doors so we are just kumaka crazy pe.
Okay. But Juba, I don't say we be playing with a penalty.
Okay.
Second division team we were back up. And I know Krano we say one man nipa and our break and emoji and abra my team na be playing our second division.
Okay.
And so imagine say a penalty team na team uguremu. Our year you can say first division Krana she team say abeba.
Yes, abeba yes.
Any idea? And you know, so be a team qualify by second division. Now, man support now super a hard dream.
A very sad
hard dream, papa.
Then he cried. Sorry to say, Obesan show mobo.
Yes, now only so.
No. And also a hard dream. A basana and painful no mood did team that you know. No be a started team ya and kakranka. Penny be a did so penny bar. Team no bit me jam on sono. Na penny no so or sebo now and said this
because I remember say
okay
and you know okay I remember say and you know I interviewed a general thing. I'm not even dealing about even Samuel Oku alone.
Okay.
General staff not here. Say let's look at our constituency and our municipality. Team men home. So I say in general team Papa Biasa and na Kofi coach. Boade Kwapem Royals.
Yes.
A few
Royals.
About all grooming Kodanka from coast. Samson Okopimo Tutua, a fair coach Shako.
Okay.
I want to know Kaka Krasa. Another team have Pimo second division.
Wow.
Easy. Second division. Now supporting in super support no in what crack. You know, I should say in Sabeka coach Shako. Now you need a ding come after so your qualification. Every PMO and so no a friend is saying second division no support no at the same and wabena and then eba and waben and also no eba na so ye it you know about na actually say in Sabeka coach Shako na and then a din come at the firo ebiem ugo PMO so promises no doors will chrome adodo e kwapem not ya no promises no doors and I ever share the reason why I win say at the end no abeboa ama yetumanya nkwada ye grumi omo na afin so no ye hwe se betima tetem ewe kwapem ha na ye ka sansem no wie na omo de bomb omo ayi wie the score political points we are they jat was I in view bia this time around what baba make you promise bia we make sure say you deliver and the upa time upa mental and the wasem what time ya was on abre we make sure say you deliver because equipim north you deserve better equipim north we deserve better ade ya no nye facilities could be no atobi boa to the team at the free coast the room second division a den support na yem fa mano yem fa support na mano otumi qualify be piemu our first division plus the ma nyina ade zen yem correct na plus ade ma nyina etino yem twese nsa be kama nchako ni ndi nkomo we na nye only the political parties and as a political friends and leaders we kwa not I am for and am kan crab bibi kakra wo mu nsem no momwa beso kotutu tim ni wo coach friend coach Shako on to buy a petit ni din mame yamwa ankrakra yamwa ni support support de onyan hye na eba kro no da no da bibia ni ha kotokoko piem o bibia ni si bibia ni Gold Stars ana yesa na yeka yese kotoko ko bibia ni ama din no kro ni din no kwa kire ama kro ni din no kwan no Heart of Lions ye kwan ye kokpa no yen kodoma Aduana Stars doma na Najima Bedu Park kro doma hene din na daso die promote doma hene promote doma kro no nti ye de se ye team awa ha na ye project team no ye support team no na team no nkɔ n'anim a ɛde na ye pa kyerɛ de bia na ye tat ye ho kro saa de ba pa team ni dia ma me preko na ye ya ye nkɔ o ma no so na me ni coach Shako eni nkomo coach Otutu na otitim wo ho eni watumi di team na frima be piem o second division na ye no eni nkomo coach Shako anwumre bibia e kama
nyanko pa dimo director
anwumre ya mo akwa banfam ro okoma 97.1 so
yo me da wa sise so wa fe me anwumre
boyemu yendi nkomo utim no mbese tiefo nyina atitim ni din ane baabi amwo na yento ankomo twetwe no so
yo me da medical me chia tiefo nyina na so na da wa sise wa mamsa akunya ise o me no twetwe san enkomo em se medical no mi team no edin ede Shako Superstars ana se Shako FC ye wo tutu ekuapem tutu
Antino Shako FC ewo ekuapem tutu na say mo ekuapem North constituency ene ekuapem North municipality no correct
sabe bepe
na my road na mu free hin ana mo ba bedu baabi a mo dui
yo em say kin ye starting course make us ye starting me starting course under 10 under 13 under 15 and 17 intino inkaka na me say no nkola no say na o ma page no 17 for no and say me register third division inti me register third division me say me fourth season ye na your first season ye the first but because of its 70 and me am the league and a second season so ye the third and so its 70 so no ye ntumi anko and third season last year and also ye the second and this is Kasem sa until this season I'm in Kolani kasa say we the nyame adom na see to me the first day and as you qualifier and your wobo sakra me penny e akọ and nyankopon adom ye boy so ye bo beating MC ye bo 12 matches leg no ye be bo home 6 ni akọ away 6 MC obi anu to me share ye leg no and ye the first na me ka say no say na dey akọ dey kombia so ye be fa na ye dey akọ eye medal leg no na minia emse medal leg ni akọ eno so na eye dinye okwan ya fa so aye to me ko medal leg na okofodua na enya asem ketwa but nyankopon adom ye ko enso ho nso obi anu otumi hye a ye dey qualify aba second division nti na obi se mu ana sa pepe na team no nja asieti
Na Dabena Moshe Medo second division Moshe Asie.
Yebesha Asie November 3rd. If we be starting November 10, we just starting November 4th.
So far, what me and then paying for Dinkomo, paying for to paying for Ukwapememu. What to me, I know my Dinkomo at the request. I caught my name say that here. What to have do second division? Cause we be PMO, Medimania, do you have a PMO equipment nofa? Team Bianua, our ha, just a team Biaku near our second division. There's a mope and a more second division. What to me, then paying for year, to me the request we are command paying for say, Osiroma Matama. Mumrano Mumba a team Shako and I said Shako FC. Now second division, Muntumi more than Pumo qualify and Vamra first division.
Yo, Meda was it. Let me say, how can this have a paper? Let me say, letters get ya true Biancasa. Ya true letters are common painful, but me no Casa up to now, no. Yenya in Wayne Field, ya and Chenya. And a fundraising be able to two, a pleasure park and so. I invite him paying for. And then Colane with team no one I for near there. Na me say that day no say mini awo ho enka okra wo bisu amami. Wo hwe canopy si ni nkonwa me ko high eba park no so hye ekofa obi be MC ni ade. Me say ye me ne Colane tena park ne so a ekobo enwere 5 na obi antuni na nsi wo ye. Menin kolana ne tena wonuma na nkofo kakra bi na ombae na yeye program no intino mwai de ye de ntia pimpima but up to now yenya mwai fi opani bia anchen ye
now yeah samo akwa pim no ebe minim sa in about 2-3 months ago the new patriotic party or Equipment North any executive say and I think so no alright friend Samia Uku etumi be organize a tournament mampona we na kwaye inter community and center towns tournament so boy in say tutumi wura mo ko finals na adia minim say na now ye team tutu ona now ye mo coach ani ade after that tournament, unya kwenya etumi any area Samuel Okusha edin komo. Adi to nanim say aside say team tutu coach no wan kasa no club or ha what me dey wuram our second division.
Yo, but your meda was say you Samuel Okude menye ne nim kwan because of that day no the one program no final match no no ye mentumi enya no kwan but na ma try say nka menya me ho kwan match. I say my bopun na minya kwan a metumi afa so enimi yenwura Samuel Oku akasa ma try bia but me say dey nya no ho kwan ye we say na o mo say em say o ma around ye o mo be ne be kasa ma me but up to now no na kasa dey say me nchia no one on one and na say me tumi edi meeting ho komo a kire ndie minya no ho kwan sai.
Okay intene dey na o hwe anim say empanyfo sabi obi tie wa bu opeso beboa ede na hwe ni so famra on board
yo me da wase em say say na wudi kan ye hwe Equipment North anu a second division bi enia intino me kakra me ye say nka me de boa Equipment North no any ye team because we hwe nkola me kura wo fit under 10 13 15, 17, and so a second division. Mikran Kola almost 200. Obakofo. Intino, and as you see, our second division, third division in Bodina, and no, a community no man, a yebo. But you see, no, second division in there, a regional, and almost into zones. And a zone, so once a couple of one, second division in BBN, and I just said, Nina, never back of Fordria, nimpate mono na ye share distance na any players no adidi mu ni jersey ni boss sem ni ade no me man kasa ma ho odin to me ntino mefa radio iso na media ato mpenfo anim say obi wo ho a why ready so person obeboa team no say obeba into partnership and as a sponsorship bia no ye ndie ngebue ye nkwan ato say betumi aba no abeboa because me man kasa na ho den entumi second division no dina sana.
Okay. Mami free ho na memra the same na ni san komo because me nim say who play integral role I was Jumedi course with mu. Sena me kind in about 2 months ago and you know the MPP kwapim not organize this intertown football gallery team to Tumuko PMO finals near there. I remember say me interview more money kwamoso and other MPP executives a buy no me interview more our station so some of the promises are the MPP executives are buy MIT no carry to and it said after the tournament you know and they almost some of the teams you know coaches in be share na fin so no share talent a woman no bring it together na fin so empo ya their form team our year equipping not here sometime no akwako season
yo me da was me say that day no ayeba ho no bi sa question na yenura ene kan asemi che ye wia another way for boys no nia obeya ade e no mbe team ama brimu ni ade but unfortunately wo ball league ni wie no eye asia ene dan wo nyina no nia onya best player of the tournament no oyemi player a obo second division oyema kola oyemi player a ye friend team ono onya best player of the tournament na mpenfo kan say boys eye ade no nko mbe pe on platform on be teams akese and as a team bi and as a sponsorship bi am money ade but up to now no ye bo wie no ye nyanti bibia sa say bibisa e koso na say bibisa ba be koso
na my sheshe bi say mo betumi atwa ben the constituency executives no na ma bi so mo say ni na mo kan na da ben na mo hwe nim say be ba so
say nyan ye bibisa mom ye but na se na wo kan ntini ende yense ye die ngidie ko nsem na wo kan ni ntini na chen na ye show mo nim say nya wo kan e ba mu sa na ntini say ye ntwumbe wo mo ko bisa mo ho bibia mom ye na se na wo kan wo nsem yense ye ji wo nsem ni ediye ntina yenso ye wo twemu e show mo nim
what too many other colleagues na reps edema the various teams you know and our town so no etime de ahia e de afasa issue we ho
me ne me nkofo bi ana say coaches na order won me no wo mun mi hia ye ene na wo mu bisa me about say bia me prayer no onya best player of the tournament ni ntino e bia na makola no wo na ko ba bia na se bibisa na me so there be up to now no nya NTV bia say na mom say mpanfo bi a omo ben ngura Samuel Okun na me so nka me twu be on say nka won betumi aboa dwumadi a yedi wa hanu because team no de enye media me yema Ekwapem North intino ena ade no say nyesi tutu nkwa because ye kwa say Ekwapem North ena o ma ye no mko league ni nyana Brimu Ekwapem South ena Brimu so no ewo kufo dia side but na yen nkwa ni only team a yefio Ekwapem North ena ye kwenche kokko ka wo nyina ntinu na akwa se yen ye return Ekwapem North akọ Ghana ne ni matem nyina but I say ye ko say ye ko pem wan so a mwan ni de ya ba up to now obia emwe ni kwan mu mayen
menim say in some no ano den dia but most betima ma fam dia na ma hwe but the only advice I remember say more remind executives no mo bosha na promises some the buy no and so hu na on so yem famfiri was say I dey still aware say wo team say bosha mo betena be kan say the reason why mo bot tournament no and it's some betimi e dey abo mebuno a ewo Ekwapem not say omo de ba be score political point na almost yan twa madwene embra so etino chako mesre na why this adwuma no na bibia ni a omo Command Radio so ya so ate
bache yo me da wasi
finally meet you
me say yan Ekwapem ya de on say MPP no de yan ye wogidie wo because MPP ni de abeboa Ekwapem ana say Eastern region no nti no wɔn de wɔn ka bibia na yɛn nso wogidie wɔn sɛ ɔmbɛyɛ nti no hwɛ na yɛhwɛ wɔn anim nti no sɛnea wɔka no so no yɛbɛtu sɛ anamɔ saa pɛpɛpɛ nti ne bɛsi bia so no yɛbɛma mo aso ante.
All right, finally, me more kono at the end I will catch Okuapman, Okuapin not and Ghana mine and so a team Shako.
Hello, Mpacho. I saw network.
Me finally, me more kono at the end I'll catch a Okuapman and a Ghana man at the fire team Shako.
Yo, Nedicano, Meda, Yen Nana, Okuapman, Hine, as you say, Onosono. Nam so na radio kɛseɛ wei aba mantemu a ɛnɛ me nso metumi akasa afa so yɛbɛda na se nam so yada ɛyɛ mo radio kɛseɛ nso ase sɛ wɔn so ama yɛn ho chance yɛntumi ɛnkasa si ɛwɔ so na yɛbɔ mpae ɛsrɛ Awurade Nyankopɔn wo nhyira sɛ ntomu so na ɛyi aba this time no na ɛnyɛ radio station kwa na mode aba mantemu na mo na mode TV station nso abɛka ho. And ni America che Ghana man ni Okuapman say wo mo hwe yenim say nyame adoma say na ye di team no fi eye third division aba second division no ye di team no san be ko first division na nam so no Okuapman ya no apija na yen so yen etumi atete o eye talent na e wa no yen etumi apolish na ya pija nkola no because ye hwe nkola egumi na ase na egrim wo kora o mu jai school bi wo nko school na nambo iso ne no makọ kasa ne do makọ na se ne o makọ school nkola ni bi awie JHS ye do makọ SHS na o mo so awie na o mo tun abebobo abedi second division ya ye ka show ani se o mo hwe nnim na o form pipe ball ene mo ai o mo support bi ama team no na ye di team no be ko first division nam so no Okuapem no ofo so ye ngagidin e wo wiase afa na nyina.
All right, until coach Shako mama na was say na nwumre.
Yo, Mr. Medamasi.
All right, and coach Shako, on air coach Adama Shako FC, and so now to Okuapem, and I also know Oten and can say, no much more PM was second division, but support and wine Anna Eddie Amwano, and so no more team Shako, and so to me qualify, and so no area in terms of sponsorship, I think, and so no to me area mom in Tina say, Utimi, now I so support team Shako, new Gromo to Okuapema, now I am what now Finsono Shako FC. And so no intumi nkonkona and super betena se na yetumi adin komo and super so won sembebere o won sembebere eka and so no e dwumadie no and so no so ntini super nsam no wo no ano den papa and so no super betena se na ne nsam o wo no ono so atumi ya tudwa na super betuja wowa na so afa ne sa na say yeso yakwa enum super
boss player.
In some way.
Very great interview. A Kroma no, as I say, football no, I bear one sporting discipline. Ofi bia a man for the Omuha gym, and looking at this young man, watching or feeding about almost 200 people, feeding 200 people, and look at how it takes someone to do football. Eden, you are better Jesse. Boots bese. Edenya to make us about 200 people no or show no on your way or more obese canto a year boot and as way. But all the same, yes, 24 as more M1 na at least no any that the scene in the sono so be boy the young ones no one in him some years to come. You won't play be with TV so about Black Star, you won't play be what my obokot, you won't play be what House of Folk. So yes, 24 as a Shako FC ni on person mo ye no empenifo nhwe na bibia so ntumi nye kama ho no so be mfa no fancy Zuba ye okroma na danwada the Ghana Premier League SARS ye kama and oshe the Ghana Premier League SARS ya oshe match day 1 ye nya very fantastic game and one gamer amount for any DHA was spanned out of Lions and also Krobia Kumasi at Sandroko Kumasi Babra Sports Stadium. Despite a House of Folk in Luciano. Oshe these days, ye football na ye Kroma na. Super Oko FIFA Bremoa, your law bakubako 17. Law 1 the field of play. Law 2 the ball. Law 3 the number of players are. One more GPNC account or pitch so. Law 4 players equipment. 5 referee. 6 the assistant referee. Super may you FIFA law 5 and 6 and then made the lake akra ewo honmo. Osha referee and also the assistant referee ayo bi onom the total control in a game enter na mpinifo appointed referee so onom say wako score we sua de enti mpinifo yin den dia so no embegina center circle na onu end game esa ne nim de enti ne yankofa coach Emma Begina center circle coach no oni any idea about officiating into also your referee wako courses no and na FIFA for mpinifo trans na omo ye law up to 17 no the referee say referee hunyanti no referee law 5 and also assistant referee law 6 super yamba back to the Ghana Premier League. The Ghana Premier League yes start here na it was one game Krobia Kumasi Asanroko Ethna Fie ene Kpando of Lions Eddie Aaron Thompson no na one game na fair. So by the course of the game, it's here for joining live for Facebook. And Kpando of Lions Enya Bobby omo train 1 2 3 eno pejana goalkeeper Frederick Asari epim bone by and Kpando of Lions player no eka bone to atem referee ese da bono enye goal, which means say Krobia Kumasi Asanroko and Kpando of Lions that game no go referee and go just because the assistant referee ese bone offside. Dentina bone offside just because ose Kpando of Lions player no rebound snap by no echo boy no a offside. But looking at the situation where the Fato Subame Kotokone Lions it ever bet me join live for Facebook asemi eke nyasi abu team neka ADSC Ghana Premier League ye be officiate one sem because osho of later Martina say ehun ade bi ewo ye Ghana football so the India no ye bo eye matches we are debia every year be ban referees which means say your referees no obo say the Ghana Football Association yaba ese ye call referee courses obo say the Ghana Football Association yaba ese ye call referees ye ma referees na kwa kosua de bia me say inti addition mo ka say referees na kwa kosua no eye addition papa na ye de kiro mo ana say nya addition papa mo join live for Facebook ni yanka Koroko against Lions obetumi drop comment was here asema making Kpando of Lions player no obo ball no na Frederick Asari epem one by there were 3 or 4 defenders ewo Krobia Kumasi Asanroko 18-year box no but Kpando of Lions player no very fast and ono etime take that quick decision etwa Krobia Kumasi Asanroko omo defender no a okobo ball ne she and assistant referee SO this game no ukopiema offside into obi ankasa which means a referee and din George Mauli ene that game no do that game no against Kpando of Lions assistant referee Mensa Gilbert Adam assistant like 2 Nate Richard Kweku so which means say Kotoko against Kpando of Lions this were the referees when we edit that game no yanko the next incident isi dano Saturday will be any whether any baby any Ghost Stars any Kotoko yan join the live for Facebook na yan shade Abrante de Dini Alex Eso Ejebo Eremu the 18-year boss of Kotoko goalkeeper Frederick Asari etimi achebo ni kama Frederick Asari chebo no he was in a hurry so per se otobo ne demand striker na se ni player no mo search for it omo attack e baby any Ghost Stars but ne ho an prepare no Abrante Bonifi same Kane and Abrante ne Dini aye Alex Eso obo the first ball goalkeeper ne Dini aye Frederick Asari echebo no hey referee yo boy foul ball then they just said this boy is foul ball yeah fair no chen ento chen where yanko Sano bofa kwane eye RTU Danu Fiada ewo eye sunyane the second goal of Sano opiemu ewo eye that game no mo a wada fato so na etiefo hu ni eka okopiema bu kwane din elde eye Sano for no eye efleke ball bi opecha no goalkeeper onu demo edema RTU epie ye 1 nensa eka ball no ansana player no eba be pim the goalkeeper of RTU but that game referee a penalty against RTU which is ukopiema to me as a journalist matumbo ase I share these 3 incidents ye more match day 5 ye just match day 2 enti me bisa say ye a match review panel na day India so no review matches no this incident and be say clubs out one etrocrat at the babo and say in this game incident when they see it so and so blah 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 referee take this decision and the decision we no take here no and we are good and I say you good so mo train as a teams out one crat at the baba out you started out you the crat babo and say say one more for the comma a year the petition almost for a letter the comma FA over a performance of referee Eric Sefa entry in match day 2 of the Ghana Premier League against Tanobo Fako, which means say almost patches Ukopiema 86 minutes referee penalty bia that penalty no and Sweni. So which means say match day 1 Yinya amanfo amoba out or make us say incident BSC ewo ye association football ma which means say enye good. Match day 2 baby any Go Stars Koroko Yinya incident. The same match day 2 Tanobo Fako and also Ukopiema RTU. Yeah, incident. When me say just a question. Into your referees now, only the Ghana Premier League no. Sorry to say, they India to yesuya de kakra na si yesuya de. Because me checks HM say, they India to no. Your book game bia the Ghana Premier League anya enko pie match day 5 match day 6 match day 8. Super ye suspended referee. 2 years ago, Krobia Kumasi Sandroko against RTU match day 6. And I've been forgotten as you say referee and din Clement Kwame. Share match odi game between Koroko and RTU. Share some incident because so it's referee abandoned 6 matches. Ya fa no tun chain. Okopiema referee and din Eddie Joseph Kennedy Paddy. Obekai House of Folk and Krobia Kumasi Asandoko. Ghana Premier League week 24. Krobia Kumasi Asantoroko any House of Folk. Ya bande referee. Ya fa no ton chain. Okopiema Great Olympics 2020 any wafa area in time so and before tonight was a game we share the officiating na opinion the eri he meet edina it seems like and said that that good in team 24 e bandeno so which means say you Ghana Premier League football na you see day day out na ye ewo kroma no ye mo match day 1 enwie match day 2 match day 3 4 5 6 ye benya referees enkomo ediaba esan say ye referees ewo kroma ye bi say ho say ye opinion the Daniel Lai efiwo and also Kwesi Brobe efiwa ye mem says ye bi say ho say ye referees ahe ene ewo kroma the India to no ko di CAF competition ye Daniel Lai enfensio ye Kwesi Brobe so enfanto nchen these two they are not part ye man so omunya referees wo kroma but ye bi say ho say referees ben omo performance akon kanya and 24 akaso CAF competition nyame adoma okopiema the Afcon ebeto dwa e Ivory Coast we have just only 2 Ghanaian referees and they representing Ghana e the Afcon ebeto dwa e Ivory Coast which means say en 24 trans amonite hu say ye referees a wo mu ewo kroma day in the out no wo mu kambi omo no ma ye Ghana football and also the Premier League ebo no amanfunya enya ho sem eka amanfo ba she referee I want to do Krobia Kumasi and also Pandrat of Lions game referee eba for Basheno just because the officiating of later in Pinafore and also how our referees AD matches to Kromano are very poor. It's very abysmal because their performance of late ain't very good. Into the Ghana Football Association match a review panel. Money referees in Kasa. Yempesi ebe say Krobia Kumasi Santoro Kone House of Ubeshia, Kotokoni Adriana Stars Ebeshia. Na incident has started happen match day 1, match day 2. Yamo match day 3 we but yabo match day 2. It's been a 3 incident HPF say your referees no more chroma no. It seems like still what they are repeating no and a day they are no repeat it. Yenten obi. Yanya agency be ko biasem but o performance ekon kan na say the India so your CAF competition ni you say at least you almost about 5 Ghanaian referees e wo kroma na so mo ko amane no ko di matches ebe de it's not the bia be so referee Daniel Lai you be say that referee Daniel Lai you know they no ayen writer the India no FIFA for the Confederation of Africa Football CAF in 24 the India no one more come say we have referees in Ghana FIFA badge more calf badge more a year the Ghana Football Association badge the Indians no yebebo competition yebebo calf competition yebebo calf competition yebeton side afro so referees di kotoko and a pan out of Lions game monya very careful yenim say this match in kwana bedi your matches outdoor one ma bedi and the Indians no oye mistakes biana de bia okipie that mistakes na some years to come ebe how let's see the Indians your body Ghana Football Association matches we about the Premier League matches we have referees anya bebo season you know almost about 5 or 10 referees chroma yebe bandio which means our referees in this country are not performing very well are very good super their performance are not very good and encouraging and farmer and conform more abonte yemi say this cut them younger Mr. Kate is a kreku odiegu akwem yes the young boys are mobano omusuan kakra the young boys are mobano omo yade but this young ones in Ebano maybe a referees be one more we be the Ghana Premier League 5 years ago 10 years ago we be mistake be but the Echimba na Ebano yemi say that Echimba na Ebano legacy bena yede toward yama Echimba no okay yama said young champ esi so opeso ye oye referee away football emo okay Kwame peso ye referee but Kwame ne papa odi kotokwane aso for game e Kumasi Bebrel Sports Stadium the performance ain't very good and the fans ebono the Ghana Football Association match review panel from penny for about 10 years just because Abrante didn't Kwame ne papa the performance as a referee ain't very good and to papa no obano when you that passion when you that talent and also when you that passion for so baby officiating where football mo yemi say sa obano that 10 years ago 5 years ago adia wa ya to no obi beka oban beka ko gina baby bi enye ya so mpenfo no be the Ghana Football Association enim and also your match review panel yem pese amafo betra krata tententi abeto abonte say so and so match we A and B match we koso e wo yema say Accra Sports Stadium game we say na sie entimon trans na monye that match review panel from penfo so adwuma ye mama mon trans enka say team A team B game bi akoso enti this team emfa any official letter emba bonti entino one month trans any access referees no it's just simple they in that every match bia also mo free referees for no one more access yo killer ukodim game we ya ukodi no then I hwe ankoye game no dey we and the say next time enye bio but they don't do that they nya say krata we team we krata famra ese so say na ACU football mo normal betina say 3 years 10 years 6 years no abandon no 3 matches no abandon 3 matches no abandon edu obe repeat that mistakes no and na imadi e football ye okroma referees they be able to be ka referees was and the referees no mu jina game no if the nya referees proper game no more which means ye football ye okroma no ebe obeka se enya fe if ye football ye okroma no ye nya referees omo officiating are very good yenka so bia ye totally 100% but at least as a referee on a field of play no when nya kra unya 80% in a game which means 80% 70% are very good unya 40 unya 30 unya 10 are very poor so your coaches your referees in this country also momo so womo kambe eno mama your football na these days ye okroma no it seems like kekele ken also kikiskoke so band out of Lions and also Krobia Kumasi Asando come game on Bo Kumasi Bebrel Sports Stadium. To me, that goal na count for share and a goal because the referee and also the assistant referee one more and that goal no and a course pound out of Lions like the win on Mesha Santo Koroko by a long goal to know. And in Ben from back referees in trance just about Ghana Premier League just match day 2 free incident NSU Kroma which means about match day 3 match day 10 I could see match day 24 crown na super yebenya referee so semaka menu me dey wa say yabo match day 3 and that's match day 2 look at incident after say rise amanfo e kan wazom so referee so kroma no omomo ndinda ot say abo wo yembetena nka tro bi say bedidi obi atem da bi e kroma no o hwe Daniel Laye and also Kwesi Brobia there have been one and I say 2 Ghanaian referees they in the from competition yeton sade from then no more ya right then omo ya right they in the no CAF competition this referees yeton sare from yankasa Zuba omo nye mistake. They do mistakes, but omo conference after the game. After game we say okay, this game me say in this game. Enuntia this game meant to me enya right. I want say am for be praise but ono conference after the performance in the game I won't say wanya right. It's the Ghana Football Association money referees in kasa. If you see about match day 2, yambese better say incident be cowboy abo referee. Say na abo referee. Anaba uka bibi na yemede. Uka say Krobia Kumasi Asantoro Kone be ni Ghost Stars na ebo Kumasi. Ena Branton e dini Alex Eso ni go no share no. Ena uko biema fa say assume say Steve Mukwala enya da ball no 1 2 3 no boy na goalkeeper. Ena be ni Ghost Stars na cheye. Oche ball ni wie no auto na ball ni finish him. Ena Steve Mukwala ebo ball ni to atenem. Ena referee be ka say foul ball. Dene be si Kumasi. We all know Kumasi supporters. Yenim Kotoko supporters. Ese ba say yan support team a yenim some ya one people a omudo team no obi eni kromo abaka so ndo ni team obi ado na club because club no na ewu no wom club no na yetiti no wom enti ya referees no kroma no yeslamo ejuma na mo ball yenim say ejuma anu odin on a field of play no ye kan crofom 2 minute kapa o pitch ne so a mo ye number 1 and yenim say ejuma no mutumi nyenti no and ye the assistant like 1 and also like 2. You're the fourth official and also match commissioner at the account Yamamo. And Siasamo, they in the after game biano. There may be someone say, it's more social media and so Nasi a boom team bonia, a yamo de anasa and yamode. It's just a question. Mufa social media and so after a game, you must say big game like Kotoko Ghost Stars. Oma bo game ewie na mo fa social media no so na say amanfo e ka mo asema. How do they feel as a referees in our association football? Ezuba your referees no more many down. These 3 incidents over the weekend, and I said from match day 1, control against Band Out of Lions, that game a goal. And also Oko Piema out you and Tano that referee incident, and as a foul incident, a penalty, referee general and sit down your penalty. To me, and your penalty. So Uche now to Boise, Esheni Dinya, so pay your penalty. Ghost Stars against Kotoko. Unless it's on the first goal no channel, it was a clear goal. And the referee no more Krumano, Superman to Tom Yamaye, and we said, Dentina a year be Yama referee car. Referee bend the Okroma Yamane car, calf competition ODB. Only be. Because calf for, and we said this referee day in the afternoon, or they be on internet and so monitor Ghanaian referees. Just 2 assistants now, you can't referees Okroma, Oko calf a year competition, among football Mabaso, and also FIFA. Daniel Laye, and also Kwesi Brobe. Tisuba. Your referees no omo meaning down.
Who's here to Jegu Sports? 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 Chairman Tuja.
All right, into the writer commentator. And I think Ninkase referees and Insamno and also at me area part we're making it clear on Tiasia. Now I question po Osia Santi Koroko Gamer. I'm gonna Band Out of Lions boy. Goa Lions, I say, it was a clear goal. Referee no a mistake. Now, Enrata and I said Nano Memeta Asante Koroko and it be any Ghost Stars. Ghost Stars, Alex Eso. Go on and say, it was a clear goal. 2 consecutive matches. And Asante Koroko. Yashomu goals, 2 clear goals. Then you know, referee Sanje. Super bisa, ye bisa, se, anka, eye kotoko. And about 2 matches. And now I said 2 clear goals. And a referees anya. Aga dien ana kotoko ebeye. You see, say a game now, yanya fair. Get a crackle and make it promises for this referees. But in as much as say yeah promising referees and all, we also expect to say on the field of play, referees and make good performances. Now, after all the games I have won, yeah controversies. Even if controversies in the background and for referees in a home, it's an I'm gonna expect this on that day on the field of play. I'm also never stay neutral. Some mistakes be what ain't to me consistent. And painful when I come as say consistent mistakes, you know. I deliberate. O to associate in a mistake from some sana. A quack boapayo. And Cassia time kotoko. And Cassia time to folk. No moment in here can see a Persia football in ye. Now, Mount Focus Stadium, quacha ye football now. See ye near my ye. Say last season, my best referee car. Super bisa say CAF competitions I have bono. Referee na ye man a car no Zuba wine. Referee ban ye man our Ghana football awards and I say no. Bisa say CAF competitions I have bono. Being in the CAF Champions League, being in the CAF Confederations Cup, AFCON see a Babeko. Ya bo AFCON qualifies. Ya bebo World Cup qualifies. Ghanaian referee na see or your best referee Americano. Oh mana, Simbisa, do was saying the better saying wouldn't Ghanaian referees do was saying Debiana Daniel Lai. Omo ma Canadian yedi yomo. Orientation ben yedi yomo fem. Mistakes beba match review panel better say. I review game na the sanction beba. But at the end of the day, those mistakes in the repeat itself. Is it deliberate? And you boy payo, ya said that. Now you said that, but you won't say a good football nana. Yeah, Rebecca, you might like it or not. You will say it as it is, devoid of insults. Yenchene boni ye. Na Ghana football and so into me fan into man pemfra. Aha, ayo command 97.1. Say Julian Nunu, I know your man the best referee. Julian Nunu bisa say CAF competitions na year bono okawana. Game main away the fee. Even in the Premier League, about 2 matches, performance on it is saying, in Castle was sung, in Castle in the Modern Money. But the Timmy Award in the best referee last season of Ghana Premier League. Impacted by a Saba body at the man no Enya in our CAF competition at year ball. Inya a Gambian referee at all World Cup. Gambia. The players in the modern monk conking, the referees and so you know, game so modern monk conking, coaches at technical benches, so modern conking, football association for us, modern conking. It's a dear pan, your football, a dear pan, a dear woman. Tuja. Maybe so. They see a football and can say, oh, a dear pan, a woman, yeah, dear woman. Players in a bobo no yet, Omukwa, Omonyadi. Referees and so to me compo. The coaches and also the human show was far. The FN also a war on another problem. It's a football, you see a crew man, Edian Pan. Your pictures are and your pictures are your bobo so don't cry and so And the super me bisa o the football na ye okroma e dey pa na ye papa o ko bi so ugu brand no fi ade na nya no se be me metena nka se e ya na at me bisa me se ade na nya no me metena nka se ade na ya na if only say be say football ye ya yenjin tum se niama ba kumia mienu bia ye no a entwa ye ne be jai you take responsibilities and make sure say football no be konkan Echina Black Queens ejina kono super against Rwanda. When say team no woman it's papa coach by about 5-6 matches. So far observation of Black Queens on.
Super Mamichi na mensanchi ti for omotie show from afar and they be ameka omni why near ye ni hormo. Looking at the Black Queens of Ghana since Madam Dean Elinor Houghton ebe taking charge as the head coach Edma the Black Queens. Looking at their performance, one more air than a dear. It's little to say yes. One more air bridge ma wato. Yembi say I want say down your betna AK me kasabe bre say the supporter yedema the Black Stars of Ghana no compared to the supporter yedema mba football no a very big difference. Yema say 10/10. Mate me say Black Stars support 10/10. But the Emmanuel supporter the momo as a Effie and also as a crewman publicity known as town content. But a Black Stars ye better see ye be the do nyame adoma Black Stars be game mummy support bring back the love ni nyame yama yembi say I won't say in prime and the Black Queens of Ghana abo game obo say the communication director of the Ghana Football Association akwatena radio so aye the day oko 1 2 3 pasa but if a Black Stars and a able gamer obenhu hawa na penifo ebedi game nechi just because they will get something in that game. Yenka say Black Queen for no more support you more, but Yemusa won say support no more Black Queens no and also support no more the Black Stars of Ghana no a very big difference because a man they also okay football a man the idea nya hwe mfemfi omunche embama de edi echila tilis na nya de betumenya 1 or 2 winning bonus bi ewo eye embema na fe yemi say won say emma na fem no da no kobo game against Rwanda omu wini 7-0 o ti say penny bi for the Ghana Football Association ababonte abede bi say but Black Stars against Central Africa Republic and also playing against Liberia friendly game no look at how and penny for that omota team negia wo eye dede which means someone say at least na Black Stars team no say one more etnas eye de a one more ebenya bibi efimo yenhwe coach ne din Elinor Houghton. He is one coach mate me aka say or very superb since obepie mu e Black Queens team no no the Indians no meto me boa say e monitor ne matches obo Benin versus Ghana Nora Houghton mami etime akose Benin 3-0 e won home Benin obaka so Benin one national team matima womun sheda ehu ball ne boye okay yemfe no ento nchen Ghana against Senegal these days yenim Senegal embema no yanhwe now for the first time omun G AFCON da but omun try all their best winning the AFCON for the first time and ohwe hawa na womun U team no omun so omun ye nkunya metimi aka say from last year bc this year Senegal, you can one Africa national team what dominated our Africa say ya. Ultimately, can you Senegal and fencing chain. But now up to any girls need to be German so at Senegal shomu 3-0. Our Cross Sports Stadium. Kwako shomu 3-0. I'm bet me at na crash shomu 1-0. So which means boss Senegal 2 times. I say Senegal 4 goals. Yever non to chain. Ghana played against Guinea. Guinea one side you can't how Womu a development football now a very superb. BT Guinea 3-0 womu home and also our Cross Sports Stadium almost 4-0. So it really tells us say looking at Nora Houghton, the head coach currently, Edema the Black Queens of Ghana. Mamadi one coach Oba no looking at how your team now. On use one player and as on use one players in a game, but some key players in a game on it's okay. Say player A anywhere, player B betting fit into the shoes of a player A. So which means say or try all the players, and so far with me about almost about 7 matches without playing even a draw or without playing and I say yes and a crowd. That be the matches are obonia gamer or find it difficult when me and say goals. Almost about 2 goals was against Senegal. And I make kind of Senegal from last year, basically a year this year. Men national team. Look at how one more dominating. It's beating Senegal 1-0. And so that any ways but a just say yes or prepare team playing against Rwanda these days. Maybe I know you can't tell me say away chawa. You know say okwa away ekobo away game very difficult. Edema ye national teams out no. But these days, you try the Black Queens of Ghana playing against Benin 3-0, SSM, Ekoko Senegal 3, Eba Beshen 1, Guinea 3, Eba Beshe Guinea 4, Ekoshe Rwanda 7-0. So it really tells you say yes. Mameno ejuma no bono ejuma bia wato no boase esese obeka so Black Queens ejuma no pressure anymore. Yemi say on say what was the last time a Black Queens echo a major competition? What was the last time a Black Queens echo a competition? Be him say anya no okay echo World Cup na yakwa dominate our World Cup. What was the last time a Black Queens echo PMU ewo a AFCON tournament ye performance ya start air done it very superb. So Madam Nora Houghton yamwana baso empenefo di adwuma no edema no wato no boase ehye team no na de ba ko mesua fi maame no say me say national teams coaches Woma be take blasters no omanya ne say one or some tactical pad bia one ne bro ni na one ne ba Ghana ase no omo bo a gamer or turn bass ye chen say yama say abrante ne dey ne Doris Bodua agina say ya or friend the basse and yan fa we yan shift we nkwa ase yan shift we nkwa ase eno omo di play game mu a they dia so ema dia taxes omo use no e work yemi say national team coaches no then omo use paper no matter okay this but obano say adwuma no onime adwuma ne so playing against Rwanda nyame ademo china no metimi akase ya qualified that and mamini take you over you lose a game ewa Accra Sports Stadium no bo yan show e be short 3 yan short 3 e be short 4 so playing us no at least yetumi show mo by 4-0 enyemo but minim say mo goals no e be banti yambo the Black Queens abaso yesere the Ghana Football Association association omonka say Black Stars nkwa super your other sporting discipline will chroma amanfo yomeni efiso
Zuba only member wa bana obeto so the Ghana Football Association and commonimu na yede afa ere ato so elections no so hyehyɛwo na ye wuram se na no ye get okra na members ye wuram na hwe gifty aboaje already no na no so ye yifiro na wi achana ye wuram executive council no enso no emu it dey ma ye ntwa ye homra na ye ba afin so no ye wuram the Ghana Football Association akache
1xBet jackpots na landio alande na watch bia na chedio yenya ni so betwa wo bet for sports game bia so na obetumi dinkuni register with 1xbet.com.gh na use promo code jackpotsghana na travel bet 1xBet ye kunim die ho safua 1xBet who say kunim difo gambling who true ntitwane wa hwe ye yema wa wundi mfie duo Gaming Commissioner Jinka to we atum
me pa nene de mi adma miskin say Black Sports G-Menim boss na me read den so aye basa we ja me arewo any adwendwe kopem se me yonko brebo introduce Gluta-Wide range of products mam glutathione no collagen component a ewum ni siesie honam no etiani na mani ye fesronko hydroquinone nim enti na ha okra Gluta-Wide sebenshia wamma me read de aye fe ubenya bi o cosmetic shop bia enkratwe FDA agiatu.
Take a sip and taste the flow. Life it be hard sometimes, but let it go.
Feel the flow for your patio. Bellas to get your feet on the floor. It's Bell Ice. We feel it burn. We feel it burn.
Jiwo Bell Ice Lemon, Pineapple, Orange, and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer. In one pop pebi. Na enjoy. Kaiser, Bell Ice, and PET plastic bottle mono, and 8% alcohol, and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer, and can mono, and also 18% alcohol. Nomninyansem, one toma nipa, only in fear to watch it, and Sessa apem for num. FDA, Ajidredian Kratoi Atom. Bell Ice, Mephilia.
Another quality product from Bell Aqua.
Level 3 present Accra City Dirty Red, a Popolo Dra artist performing profile. Starting from Friday with Dirty Afro Friday and Friends. Artists performing D-Block, Sefa, Pranon, Sweet Wise, and Dusted Jen. And on Saturday, 30th September, Stop Just Wanna Get Hard. Artists performing Okeswa, La Russo, Ya Jackson, and Get Play. Sunday, 1st October, Kill It or Leave It. Artists performing live, Osekrum Sikini, Raskuku, Sky Ranking, and D-Sherry. And on Monday, 2nd October is Dirty Links and Vibes with Chips in Power. Boss Kyle and Friend will hold us down with some surprising possible artists from Nigeria. So get on the train, let's have some fun and relax this festive season with Level 3. For table reservations and inquiries, call 0244-925-412. Level 3. Enter the fun.
Fufuo Festival Jack for how now to baby na yen copy pono so Okuma Radio 97.1 2023 ekwapo kwapim odurano for the first time Okuma Edi Fufuo Festival no Edi bro okwapma nyina ebeye dey style bia bi remember na kai say fufuo no eye free you hear eye wankasa wasanka dwumadi nyina beba so ewo eye shoe fabric animo a ekwapo ekwapim on the 1st of October 2023, a brand new anopa no more trade till you drop. Bibiani na pese bia wonim pay for twetwe komo ana pese to stand no nkata do ton ne ma bia betimi pay for twetwe komo e wo 0549012454 0549012454 ana say 0246246875 0246246875 fufuo ba mi ni fufuo style bia
El Shaddai, El Elyon Adonai.
Hello, this is Frank Edu Asare, your anchor on the show Praise Zone on the Common Radio 97.1. On the show, we serve you with carefully selected and Holy Spirit-ful songs to encourage, motivate, and set you in prayer. On Praise Zone, we have a segment for testimony at Dancy Diebre. Come and share with others. Also on the segment, we have Kids Bible quizzes, Kids Memory Verse recitals, Kids Tree Bible readings. Remember, this program will be live on our Facebook and YouTube channel. You also have the chance to send in messages, to call into the program, and to request a song for a loved one. Why don't you join us to praise God together on every Sunday from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Yenshia na yentronto nyame yenanase na oye na nadoi ewo hoda. Wa ye bia mayen. Yenshia every Sunday from 6 to 8 p.m. See you there.
El Shaddai, El Shaddai, El Elyon Adonai. Age to age, you're still the same by the
Okuman Radio 97.1 FM. Ye doye for ye panesanti and a ye be and tabemadiamo be biara and numekwa rose. So pese ye bo nemo dero edemawa ya krado bra na ye no enidra anasa wo yourself for now pese wo preachi ana safona mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda wo bibi na ato and pese ye bo hun dero edemawa akwanya eda ho bra anasa jingle hun sense productions na pese ye edemawa akwanya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na pese ye be fan live ewo Command Radio so a akwanya da ho se ye edema o ne hia ne se obefreyen ewo 0202993475 ana 0594630059 ana 0246246875 o Command Radio ana okriape mayano Wotie to Jegu Sports Wotie to Jegu Sports Wotie to Jegu Sports on Okuma 97.1.
All right, Entino, Yansambra, na Yemedi and Como, our Haibegrum, our the Ghana Football Association. akachi nano fiada yewura mu ehye Kurt Edwin Simon Okeku ni pros and cons bra ni ono so be je adwuma no say Ghana Football Association president the previous manifesto and so nsema eni ono so no etumi ekan ye enso no ade fa ho nyina no onso no otie but nei ye be conclude on net na afinso yewuram ewa ye another person be so bewuram ewa the executive council no enso so the women's football eba no me maame Gifty Oware Aboaje ono nso ni be wuram ewa da kachi na say yetumi ade in 7 day free ade aba message so the message sene ba na odu din account na fin so yetumi ahu ba bia odi free eba. We say good evening brothers. I hope everything is fine. I'm listening to you guys live from Apeguso. This is Enoch. You guys are doing fantastic program. Keep doing it. And I say announce on the message announce on etumi area but say hi good evening please. My name is Bright Mate and I thank God for my life my family. I say no yeah whatever now why come on. Na niama so no atumi akonkan enso no ewo ho ntino messages awodo no and so mo betumi ade aba on 0551667755 0551667755 whether WhatsApp and SMS no onso no de ba ye bejibre ne akenkan enso no atumi ade ama on Facebook and also Command Radio 97.1 fafa na fin so no yenyebre enkinkan ni nyina emfama Enoch anwumai mame so no minchia bebia obia se otemu Apeguso Enoch no heavy papa na zamanfo de ya ne nemu ye promo ne ade ze hunu akwa se hunu sa na manfo ade ya ba okroma ni pani abre ni se hunu sa super Kofi Anthony se hunu sa
super o de bando ahwe bi nto no so nye yingwa se ne wahwe o super so ahwe bi Pashe binti ne bando na ye. Suba uram dem complete on keto kreku na yenwuram ewa Gifty Aboaje why. Suba my yanko Madam Gifty yo because time na call kasi di the Ghana Football Association echi day in day out ye be call monsem nyom gusu aya na omo ye no. Ekroma de bia meka yenka se be di obi atem but state no all see simple pepe the Ghana Football Association omonthana se dwumedi omudi no amanfo to mechi baba ade de oye ni ya e na amanfo so ebeka suba Madam Gifty one person betimi aka say o kan wani 4th July 1986 and ye wo no Kofodua Eastern Region 36 years and maame ne di and ohwe maame na bakwa meche say wonom and the vice president Edmund Brekum Chelsea and also Ukopima formerly Halifax ladies now Berry ladies one and a so it leads tells to say this woman one woman say ononkwana hormone contest na mebo say ononkwa so which means penifo share the performance and also the bra omde emanom omo appointing as the vice chairperson for a women's Premier League Super League local organization committee. So which means and penifo ni dibre and also how oye ma football no say one more nation and also one man the opportunity omo gidi mapa say ejuma odiesi ne so say opeso ye no it tells say ebetimi aboa no and looking at say oye vice president for Brekum Chelsea and also the co-owner of Berry Ladies e ka say emma nwade you emma nwade you super a big and I say broughton emma yes emma ye nim say emma ye emma bia let me mama put in this emma
nipa bia
emma bia ye nipa bia
emma ye nipa bia
emma ye nipa bia me put in this yes omwade yo very difficult so on mate now when take care anso some so and jom so kakra super they bia union benya issue but here this woman say emma kobo game how they bia ode any support and also they be ode ni sika and they support him ma akomamba say yebo the women's FA Cup final ewo ye abrankese no this woman ekoma eyampem da kwa ladies omo muska just because after so we need the final omo imagine we need final no very it motivating girls and it's okay omo ade omo ye ewo football no as a women's players no amanfo we sure one more support you mo. So Madam Gifty, one person to me gidi mapa. Say Osha how was started on a ma copy and also how ote ma football na no. May sure say hormo dama bia and pinofoshe na so mo to ne so aba ono betime bia kama ediama adiama mba football no. Yama see enim no but yen puti yen try no. As a dwuma ye pese ye de shenensa ewo ma football no betimi aye. So Madam Gifty yen wishing all the best. As a dama bia no ba super no fair.
Gifty
no fair.
Gifty no fair.
Madam Gifty o remains.
Gifty o remains.
No fair.
Nah. Gifty on.
O shine lip shine and lipsticks and then the way of topa. Super another thing.
Chelsea or not.
Yes, vice president.
Yes, vice president.
Yes. Very lady school owner.
My friend Ajua. My friend Ajua. Oh, I know that a Black Queens to call you.
Yes.
What's Okobi?
Okobi, yes.
And I know Domukwe. And I call you and be Nakwan so call you.
Yes.
Or support you.
Support you.
Yeah.
Super Mekano, which means they say our better about football. I say.
Yeah. And also a deputy executive director of the National Service Scheme.
Okay.
As the NSS, a deputy executive director. And so now the month, then I did 2 Jano, you won on the 4th of July, 1986. 37 years. And then what do you talk?
Just body no.
If you're poor man, tell me,
this thing go for the
higher no fee. Now, so MPP no so. MPP no so. In Tianon zone, school, Ghana, a secondary school. Nancy, no, we near Ghana, so.
Yeah, Ghana's no call Kien
University near there, Nancy. And also, I don't know, Zuba say, ma near there.
I dear.
You say, no, can you know, okay, yeah, a good Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Arts degree in history.
Yeah,
that's a good yeah, and near there, and then so, or some postgraduate certificate in management of democratic elections in Africa. Let's say, no, so if you want to call University of South Africa, and there's a honor, yes, democratic elections in Africa, no, there's a science, MSc Defense and International Politics. No so to me yafi Ghana Armed Forces Command and Staff College. There's a way near Armed Forces mo there's a usha na new thing Zuba to me wuram na new thing papa nti ano so no tanso na no assign as executive development certificate women in leadership from Stellenbosch University and I feel so no assign executive education in digital marketing from Yale University.
Okay.
In Zuba, Abraboni dear or Bobby Papa Ban so carry near Diano, Grum start here marketing manager and my Reflect Marketing Plus Ewakra 2011 to 2014. Let's say Ugrum Yesania Manina in 2014 so joining Dankwa Institute and acquire political think tank. Let's say ni normally two Jira JB Dankwa and aside almost to me to no room kusunsia bia and idea and they almost to me appointed and say and they know a deputy director in the National Service Scheme NSS but almost to our cafe NSS for no
Bazuba once my boy busy a boy sneak here oh Bechele yes Pascal is here almost any recording is kind here
okay
almost Dawson I'm saying I'm here on be almost boss more post tournament but me ya mom I'm saying restore pa me nyama mumu monitor
okay
o me bie
Pascal
okay Pablo Eben boys ni omu tie for
okay.
mafa Bechele yes
I don't know why
I know Asama do Asama ya
Bechele
yes
Asama bia me ni why Roman from
Roman down Hormope so one more dey say Asama crew remember wo Michel Campo exchange yes omu monitor pa na o hwe hawa boys no share so almost recording
and you done with Kwebu aje kwadwo
yes I know so Asama do Asama no afaka asan ko nti omo say omo be meye ya ma but ye be sorry so ametombo asa yes small post tournament no be bo no
okay small post tournament
yes omo so be so mo invite here
ya beba
omo say omo invite here
Bechele nti no Asama yes na so ya for antisim no more Zuba
Pascal no who for off. Oh, you said that you is.
So you for it is no.
No. Oh, Pascal no said that you could see Abiasa. We can't
forget to the part. Oh, Henry forget you know. no gift dia no say we so ade bebre Ghana Forces ko wuram ko ye yi ni ade ono ye deputy director at the National Service Scheme to nipa nu ya betena fie no na mu no ne odwira ya mafo odi okro ma
afo di okro ye shebo na mafo send messages
okro amafo enjoy papa okro
yes but ye tem have to ya be ado by next week Sunday
yes say ye wom
bla
odwira ye nshara
ye divisa festival
ye say ohinu ma you know
ye wi anu na ye be fa course bi ye fa one
ye
na full license yes
from here na enko nanti ntu no mba fie na ze den Henry Henry ya na ajuso be ko fie yo ena ye odwira Monday ye nche da kura ni kurum sa
dabi ya be fast na man for ye yo munyama
carpenter for na e kurum na
yes now DJ no gado
carpenter for na e bobo enua ne ade se o mahihye ni aba teacher ni nkotena fie wama na su kura mo bi school ohome
say for hard you be so many nkwala na che
ma mi chi akosia nso
akosia fa
akosia
me dey so
na akosia ba akotwe
okay
de onim akosia ba akon no promise me your love be
okay
3 weeks
and bye
nim say amono na ya kra emoni siposo ya kra de aba say baba no say 3 weeks Henry kra ba izanga mani Henry na eko ana akosia ko she nkran kozi agoshe nkran say na sa ntumi nu ajolof 3 weeks wom odwere twam wie na Henry kwa afa ajolof di anonso no nti de koso 0551667755 0551667755 0277 0277
0270 ana
zuwa sana verse no producer ashura ajuro ni ye na ni fa je na ehu so they say you know we no zero producer akoya ni say masa mo chura na mo churo ni ye 0270191971 0270191971 0551667755 na say odin komo na to me area ba ekwapim north yes second division one team pen wa support ben ana yede ya mo promises yede ma ye nkora no ewa ha no eno so ye disu anaze ndi so ekwa men so hihye be na yede egu a ye boa na yetime develop your talent a ye wo no ewa ekwapim north no enso no ewa onya hwehwe krae onya hwehwe nti anonso 0551667755 ame fa call na yento aso hello
good evening nana
good evening Inokini
boss ono
Inok anwumre bibia e kama
na me adom bibia e kama
anwumre man ti o
na ma member ma baso adwuma amode ahyafie ewo okoma no na me ni mubabo Ghana football na mbama Ghana football so etumpu akọ de papa se ye mpanyimfo no betie mo nko ade a na unim de nti ama Ghana class no se ekọ Africa yenko yenim na agiegu ni asa be fie no especially ye class akese no ye referees no because omomma fairness no enye dwuma o Ghana football ni say asema na solutions say kotokopa nanka ye ji saa ade we tia no say kotokonya saa clear chance say no dey ahye ni ye be ka say go ni go offside and come give say the bisi and say they see 2000 okra no kesa ye be sere ye mpanyimfo a omo ye Ghana football amanfo papa nom amanfo nananom na eye adwuma ebebi na ansa ne dwuma no ye be sere se omo ma no kredi se de abrofo no ye ya eye fe ma ye nso ye di sika ewom si be yi bi no omo ma eno enwura yagudi ni asotwe wo ho ma referee no ese so omo memu ye du enye se ye bo abaso keke ni ye be bo abaso be wie no ye kwakobo wa fukuru aye mfe Ghana referee eno ye hu ni se ase efi no omo nye omo adwuma yi
okay
asi ye show ni mo ane amaw abosbode na menka oba ne de ne kakra Black Queens coach no obodwuma ba mesre Ghana for say yenya botre because ye nse de share South Africa and Nigeria for no omo na eba African football ma no omo bom homodi tie ko share omo na se ne matoto ya ni hu sampa oba na obodwuma me nya mo nya menya dwuma.
All right, Enoch also oninyame entena 0551667755 0551667755. Hello. 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 Sharon Timmy Kabapa. Hello. 0551667755. 0551667755. 0270191971. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Bachodin baby Afrefi.
Your friend Pablo Mikazafi Ashama.
Pablo, assignment yaboko enyumre.
Yeah, bibia boko minipa.
Enyumre ma entio.
Minia ejuma mo ye de meni jihu pa. Titi uni minipa pa solo not now. Mo ejuma mo ye de meni jihu pa. Na boy no mo agbetile na bia team.
Yeah, mo heavy, mo guy, papa. Okay. All right, yes, that's papa. You know, assignment boys na mo gbeshili no. Yichia mo na enyumre papa. Mo guy, mo heavy, papa. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening, Bachodin baby Afrefi. Hello. Shadan Timin Kasa bet me Afraba 0551667755 0551667755 0270 191 na say onso no watimi Afraba na niaman so no atimi akonkan enso no atimi ere ama dwumadie no enso no eso entino say yeah enti anonso enono mami wuram na memfa collect no enso ebi wa ha hello yeah network yeah hello yes good evening
hello
odini baby Afrefi
Fufu party is the best among the best AKBDB Lampard and Subi the Papa Fresh is Subi Okuma Fufu party is the best among the best show in the world. Okuma Fufu party on the size
Lampard and you remain you
with you super Ege
Lampard yo so
Ege DFC seven amoka kind de na na makan ba Ege share my answer Borna oje no o disallowed against Kotoko. Ubia show video now we say there was a contact between the player and the goalkeeper. Enti I know interest Kotoko we disallow go etia na we jebu obi na disallow ntia to say Ubia na no gudu Kotoko. A part of football. Referee decisions and it comes at once. It is a referee taking decision. Na Ubia betu na no referee share. Then be I am football no here then. Enkoso.
Okay.
Because referees in so nipa. Because we say whistle as a one who whistle in seconds. In the seconds, no way take decision every support not yet to the get the NSA not be a do referees in any mercy. And don't think I referees is a Africa, you will be. You have linesman cry in Yabi. Until you say one, Unya Putarema, you referees. And now coach football and so on. Who is there first? Not what coach into a big say. Akropoa otiabuasa na team no wo otimi ye de ekobobi but na say course ni nyire ene yakọ na academy ni so wan kwanko trace kan fa ban kwanko shemu a oba no ntimi ye de enko ena academy so beje usika but course ni trace kan ni but say no ntimi trace kan fa ban kwanko se be bi se won hwe ne ade eno so kan obi nti kodo eni be ba course ni area boss ni ma nka me ye sure say e be boy yen metia incoming DFP president, Mr.
All right. Yes, say hello. Fire, Mr. Na Waluwa radio na mami. Why?
Never. Hello.
Oh yeah, Fire, meet you.
But you are some back in my Fuma and Catellai. Let's go to me kakra.
Meet you.
Assembly the kana mobile no. You. Adi. First game Kotoko ni Lions. Bona Lions chain a clear go. Ubio okay to Saboni offside be obua. Boni a clear go. Boni a clear go. In a linesman, meaning yane linesman and linesman in Sabon. By Endra match a boy, you know. Bona asari tu ne fin in Sato Fomono. Uni right sank ordinary ne Sakaboni you. Because Bon if in south of home. but player na order form eke hwe video no odi hwe video ni bi ball no ball player na order form nsa anka ball ndi anka ye klegu by ball no ball player nsa na ball no boy no enema referee ni J foul enye offside no J foul because ball no ball player nsa the ball na mo player nsa na share anka ball ni ye clean goal inti mpamuchew
fire
yes
you see adio oche the linesman na after sebo no HAV no the linesman no run call the center circle meaning say a clear goal. Referee no so pointed to the center circle meaning say a clear goal. It took the fourth referee no I don't know for the center referee catching the send so and even looking at the video, look at the video very well. And you find a ball player inside.
Okay. So okay, so me share video no very well. I also share video no very well because ball no
fire position we fire position we na in Jordan Tonka.
Hello.
Fire meet you.
Missy, when obo born say you know, born inside. Born na me and I because the born obo o share born na nke ye clean go by we slow motion we relax no. Obi an say born no boy inside.
Okay. All right. Where we?
Maybe.
Okay, fire. Yes, no, yeah, I say 0551667755. Hello.
Yo, me pese me kaka fire some no kind of. Lampard me.
Quick one, uncle.
What we say? Born no say na referee is allowing no. Laws make say when the ball is between the goalkeeper's hands, between now whether they say sumo. Ni say so be so ball no kwa dia ebeng na player who na ko attack ya e bit mama player go keeper ni injury any ade if that ball na referee no eje eya nyego no e correct decision because player no slide in no auto slide in no go keeper no auto ball ni that ni send between and sana the player ni the auto slide in no it is slide no auto kwa if you know be just go bit me play go keeper no and the injured goalkeepers we are here. You that can. It is a Ghana for between and a Cotoconese and a Cotoconese and a Cotocomania leg in Bokra because you will go on. So we have get the Cotoconia yes, there. Them we are Ghana football.
Lampard.
Hey, okay.
Oya Cotoconipa on.
Papa and Liverpool.
And I fire Oya Cotoconipa on.
Yo.
Once the moon and two different things.
Yanka two different things. As to fire them can fire the number
Lampard, ability my infancy. I'm watching about
oh, the market.
All right. And you know, Lampard, and so I don't know. University, I'm watching now. You would have Zuba.
Zuba, Mr. Omo, give no. Fire or case born a bonipa a bonico to the ammonia was not that for more or show pajanesa. Suba boys in the monitor, Mammy winning momo, Yami Altoma, the first edition of Liberty Small Post Championship League. Yes, Obesomo born say Ombo UFA Champions League Small Post. Yes, and there was Omobo game back on that. Yami Aduma next week no more matches. Obesomo born Championship League. Yami Aduma to jam a Liberty FC. One more park neswa Bitchley. Yes, behind a Bitchley court na Udo Mabun says small post park come up and to see teams outdoor my already said Dama Biano small post championship no mo pese mo be Japan na musia kind for the first time no. Yes, mo me from and also bet me friend pin for 0246 90 60 67 0246 90 60 and 67 and I say 0551 021 001 0551 021 001 DJ OJ e monitor show from afar Pablo Pascal boys in here no
Asama boys
yes Asama boys in here yes muye brutal yes is here no more na be hwea bom omo monitor show from afar nti edo mu ni ase na omo dwumedie no so nyame adoma teams no munya teams ne area almost one say the first first game now crucial game now yembra na yembe we mum na so ye ba be say is the adwuma baby edu no ye bia nti Zuba me nchi obi o monitor show no from afar.
All right, Inti, I don't know. You're the best senior corner, second confirm your board for 1xbet. Tontina 74 sounds on and ain't no chill out, eat you at the pub. And here, Barry Ace Dot Ventures are, you know, must say, Vera Water, Bell, Ice, Drinks. Sounds on, and you know, Copion, CK, Sorry Ventures, Winano, Yen Domas, Papa Pen, you may so ya send soon, I chopper Monke, Bookshop, and I think so, Safari, Valley, Echo Park. I'm so etimi so yemu kama amedi jumedi ene buy fin so Rooney's bookshop and stationery. I'm so ya sia yan so yedi jumedi no and so no ede buy yeah. And I say come from team ni na led by executive producer era Kwaku Boateng and Kofi Okore Ajaman Sansona Gideon into the boy. I'm etimi a buy and not damn yamo and so no etimi a boy ma okay bibia and so no etimi come out Solomon Baidu the writer commentator and DJ Weather MCR Sansona K Brown and so no etimi a boy me the Kelvin and Ponsedi nyame boy a channel part 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and so ni be sia na come out do no yetimi Eddie. Good evening.
Face covered like a Taliban, just a bad man moving bad. All me want is some peace of mind.